my channel. So I've gotten so many questions on my previous video about my cash envelopes. A lot of you guys have asked me, how did I create my cash envelopes? So today I'll be showing you guys how I created these cash envelopes for just under $5. So if you're interested, feel free to keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So to start off, you would need these 6 items. I got this like cardstocky paper from my local Hobby Lobby. You can also get it from Michael's. It has 60 sheets with 20 different designs in it. You'll need some scissors, a pen of your choice, some tape. I got this from Google, so I just typed in cash envelope template, and this is what it gave me. I just cut it out already. And I also have like these labeling stickers. Of course, some of them are missing because I've already created some of my cash envelopes, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, perfect. So I'm just gonna flip through really quick just to see what design I want to use for my envelope. All right, so I guess we'll go with this one. All right. So first, I'm just gonna tear it out. And then we'll go ahead and trace our cash envelope template on the paper. So it should be really easy. So you may be able to tell that I made one side a little lower than the other, and that's just because when I noticed that when I wrapped it, the way my dollar would fit, it would make it a little awkward. So I just made one side a little longer than the other. All right, so now we're just gonna cut it out. And y'all, don't come for me. I know my sketching is a little wobbly, and listen, this is not my expertise. But it works, okay? And it comes out cute at the end, so doesn't matter. Alright, and just so you can see, you can't see the pen. Even though I use a gel pen, you can't see it on the outside. So you can use a pencil, you can use a pen, do what works for you. So then I'll just fold one side over. Try to make sure that it's even. All right, so this is gonna be the top, like what the top of the envelope where my money will go in. So I'm gonna leave some space just to make sure that my dollar can fit in there. All right. And we're gonna go back and tape. A little too big. And it comes out like this. Then I'm just going to stick a label. You guys, and that's literally it. So this is how I make my cash envelope. It's so easy, and I'll show you guys how $1 fits in this. Goes just like so. All right, you guys, so I noticed that one of my sides weren't straight, so I just went back and lifted up the tape and refolded it so that it could be even. So there we are. So you guys, it's literally so easy. I think it just took me 5 minutes to do the whole thing, and for just about $5 you can have all these different envelopes of your choice. So it's no need to spend extra money on Etsy and things like that when you can do it yourself for under 5 minutes for just about $5. So this is what works for me. If you guys end up using my method, my steps to create your cash envelope, feel free to tag me. I would love to see how your envelopes turn out. I'm sure you guys are more crafty than me. You'll find some different ways to make it. So tag me, I would love to see them. So much for watching my video. I hope my steps work for you. Trust me, it's super easy to create these envelopes. If I can do it, anybody can do it, because I'm not really crafty and DIYs are not my thing. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, but I'll see you guys next time.